How to convert Microsoft Word document to PowerPoint presentation. So what we're going to do is very simple. First things first, select your document information over here. Now, for your headers, what we will have to do is you're going to highlight that specific area and you're going to select heading 1. And for the other type of text, you're going to have to select heading 2. This is very important so that the conversion would be easily recognized. Now, after doing this, what we're going to do is we're going to then select this arrow over here on the top section. You will see this customize access or quick access toolbar, and you're going to click on more commands. Click on this choose commands from and select all commands, and you're going to look for the send to Microsoft PowerPoint. So simply go to the S section and then you should be able to find a send to Microsoft PowerPoint option here. Click on add and simply click on OK. After you do that, you should then be able to see this icon over here on the top section or top left section, wherein if you click this, it will auto generate a PowerPoint based on your document over here. Make sure that you do the heading and heading 2 because that is how the document will recognize the different pages of your document. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.